Try one last problem. This honestly cannot get any harder. The only way to make factoring harder is when we put them all together, and I'm not going to do that this year. We're going to save that for next year when you officially are supposed to learn factoring anyway. So we've got a trinomial. So I noticed that we need to do the AC method. So A times C is a positive 350 n squared, which is a large number, but the factors are usually pretty obvious. So I need to add them together to get negative 45n. So I see 35 times 10. So if I have negative 35 and negative 10, when I add that together, that gives me negative 45. Okay? So we're going to rewrite that middle term. I'm just going to put the 35 because you know what? I'll even show you. Let's make this the negative 10n. It will not matter. Okay? And then my plus 50. So don't forget that's not part of it. All right. So I look at a common factor. I don't have a number in common now. So I'm going to take out an n. So I'm left with 7n minus 10. Out of the next two terms, anytime we had that leading coefficient negative, remember you're supposed to factor out a negative, and they both can be divided by 5. So if I divide by negative 5, I get positive 7 and a negative 10. Okay? So they do match. Watch your signs. That's the only issue I found that most students are missing when they're factoring on my multiple choice. So my final answer is the factor n minus 5 and the factor 7n minus 10.